Major Kalshi classes online courses for all defense exams. Recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKZ Learning app and fulfill your dreams.
May I come in, sir?
Come in. Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You are Lakshiraj Singh.
Yes, sir.
Just number 15, 53. Okay. Okay. Introduce yourself in 3 minutes.
Okay, sir. My name is Lakshiraj Singh Dirawat. I live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm passionate about joining Indian Army, especially Indian Army. I love to join. I love Indian Armed Forces from my childhood, but I never thought that I will have to join Indian Army. But after some effect, that some situation I have passed, that after that I want to join Indian Army. And sir, I'm very hardworking. I am determined student, and I always work hard for my dream, and I always try to give my very best. That's my strategy for everything I do, and I easily make friends, and I'm socially adaptable. I'm good.
Okay. Tell me about your education up to this time.
Sir, I'm 12th pass with PCM as my subject and psychology as my optional. I got 92.6%. My mode of education is CBSE, and my school is Delhi Public School, Jaipur.
In 10th, how much marks you got?
Sir, I got 85% in 10th class.
Okay, tell me about your family.
Sir, my father's name is Bhagwan Singh Dirawat. He's a property dealer, and my mom name is Vinod Kaur. He's a housewife, and I'm the only child of my parents.
You belong to proper Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
Jaipur is very famous place.
Yes, sir.
Describe Jaipur.
Yes, sir, of course. Jaipur is part of one of the famous golden triangle of Indian tourism, which is consists of Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. And Jaipur have many historic places like Amer Fort, Jal Mahal, Jaigarh Fort, Nargarh Fort. And I think every palace have their own specialty, and Hawa Mahal especially, and many foreign tourists with the domestic tourism also visit to our Jaipur city, and it is very famous all over the world.
Good. Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan?
So, Mr. Ashok Gehlot.
Do you like him?
Yes, sir, of course I like him.
Why do you like?
Sir, because he support farmers. He and the Congress party, especially Ashok Gehlot, have a system in Rajasthan. Their politics is according to the system. They go according to the system, and they don't make it dirty by bringing the issues which are not of public. They always work in welfare of public, and they work on the core issues which should be determined, which is not by other parties, especially.
Means being from Congress party,
Yes, sir.
for Mr. Gehlot is also a reason that you like him, because he is from Congress
No,
party.
sir, I like him personally too, and he's in Congress party, but I like many politicians from other parties too, but he's a good politician, that's why I like him.
No, tell me clearly, is your family
Yes, sir.
and you Congress supporters?
No, sir, my family, especially my father and mom, support BJP because of their ideology, and I think the issues the BJP brings, but I support Congress, and that's my personal opinion, and I like Ashok Gehlot personally.
See, you told just now that you support Congress.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem, it's your opinion. How many districts are there in Rajasthan?
So 25 districts according to the election commission, and in reality there are 30 districts which are divided in 25 only according to the election commission.
No, I could not get it. 35 you told, no?
I mean, 30 districts are there in Rajasthan, but each district have election or Lok Sabha election, so there are only 25 seats. So 25 division are done by election commission, but reality there are.
Oh, that is another thing. Okay, right. Which is the largest district by area?
Okay, sir. Jaisalmer.
It is the largest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Tell me, who is the governor of Rajasthan? And
yes.
who taught you English in class 10?
So Mr.
Who are
Kabra,
principal of that school? Which is your favorite subject in class 12? Who was your favorite teacher? What was the name of the principal? Why you want to become army officer? And do you read other books also other than your course books? Tell me how many close friends you have. Tell me two qualities of each. Tell me two qualities each of your father and mother. Tell me who is Education Minister of India. Go.
Sir, Governor of Rajasthan is Mr. Karraj Mish, and English is taught by Shruti ma'am in class 12th. She is my school teacher, and principal of my school is Mrs. Sangeeta K. And my friends are especially my best friend is Rochan Raj, who is from Bihar, but he shifted to Jaipur with his mom is living during our education of our class 12, and the Education Minister of India is HRD Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, and I forgot the.
Okay, doesn't matter. How many generals are there in army now?
Yes.
How many generals are there?
So currently we have two generals. One is General M.M. Naravane, who is general, and second is our CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat.
Then what is the difference between these two?
And M.M. Naravane, Mr. M.M. Naravane is General of Indian Army, and Bipin Rawat is CDS, is Chief of Defence Staff of all tri-services of India, Indian Navy, Indian Army and Indian Air Force. So he's head.
Right. Okay, now I'm asking the questions you have left. Tell me two qualities each of your father and mother.
So my father, I like the most quality in him that he's peace, he's calm in many situations which are not good for our many tension. He's have that smile on face, he have that calmness, and I like that quality in very much. Second, he don't push me anyway that you should study. He allowed me to do anything. He never told me to go in particular field. He told me that you choose your own field and should you do whatever you want to do in life. So I like these two qualities. And in my mom, I like he nourishes me. He's really caring. He really love me. His love I really like the way she loves me. And the second quality I like her, she make good bonding with our neighbors. She have a good bonding with our neighbors, with our family friends, and I think that's these two qualities I like in my mom.
Anything in your father which you don't like?
Sir, I will not say any quality I don't like. I don't like his habit, one of his habit that he chewed tobacco, sir. So I told him that it's have any bad effects on our body. Its health effects are not good, but he still continue with that. He don't agree with me.
You have not been able to convince him.
I am not able to convince him.
Okay.
I don't like
But still you tell him?
Sir, I told him many times, but I give him the logical reasons why it is not good for long term. But still he don't agree with me, and I'm not able to convince him on that thing.
Okay. Tell me the names of your 4 immediate neighbors.
Okay, sir. Sir, currently I'm living with my Masi at Jaipur city because I'm studying, sir. And
Since when?
Sir, since 12th class, and after lockdown, I have went to my village, and after the unlock, I come back to city. So basically I'm from the village. My parents lives in village. So in village we have neighbors which are our family only. So I think one of my neighbor, my friend, I will say it is Vishnu, which lives in my neighborhood, and Chiksa, which lives Hamsa, and Ganesh. So these are my friends also. These are my neighbors. And
do you have your small children, 5 years, 6 years, in Jaipur, your locality, around your Masi's house? Around your Masi's house,
yes, sir.
are there some small children age about 5 years or 6 years?
Yes, sir. My Masi lives in flat, so I'm living with her. So we have children in flat, and I love kids. I play with them sometime. I got time.
Do you know names? Some names?
Now his name is Now, and his sister, who is also under 5 age, whose name is Muman.
Good. Okay. Now let's come to your friends. Tell me the names of your very close friends. How many you had?
Sir, I have my best friend is Rochan Raj, and my cousin Vishnu. I told you earlier, sir. He is also my best friend. And I have 5 to 6 friends which we share common goal that we want to join Indian Armed Forces. So I have that group also. And my best friend, especially Rochan Raj, he don't want to join Indian Armed Forces. He want to be an IITian. So I have Rochan Raj. He is my best friend.
Okay, tell me two qualities each of these 2 close friends.
Yes, sir.
Which you like, the qualities which you like.
Sir, I like in Rochan Raj, sir, he respect teachers. Because sir, in current scenario, sir, many I have seen in my class, in other class also, that people argue with teachers easily. They argue, they feel that is cool. But Rochanraj and myself, I have that quality. But I like what in him, that he always respect teachers. Whatever whosoever's fault is there, he always respect teacher. He talk nicely with them. He always listen them, and I like that quality in him. Secondly, sir, he have a clarity to of future, because many don't have that clarity. So I like that second quality in him. And what about Vishnu, sir? We have that same common goal. He's my cousin too, and we both want to become a para commando in Indian Army. So we are that quality. I like that he have that determination, and I got to learn many things from him. So he really worked hard.
So you also want to become para commandos?
Yes, sir. I want to become a para commando.
Why para commandos?
Sir.
See, there are many branches.
Yes, sir.
And equally important.
Yes, sir.
Why you want para commandos?
Sir, I will share one thing with you, sir, that why I want to join Indian Army first. That before till 11th class, sir, I have no such aim like that I'm committed to Indian Army. But after in 2019, sir, in January a movie has released, Uri, sir. I don't know why, what a coincidence that happened. I watched that movie alone in movie hall once. First time that I'm watching alone a movie in movie hall. Watched that movie, and after coming out from the theater, I have decided that I want to become a para commando. Then I've seen interviews on Discovery that whether this is true or not, it is not only a movie. Then the interviews shown by the real commandos, so that I got motivated from that thing, and I want to join Indian Army as a para commando.
So very good, very nice. You have a clear aim. In your friend circle at school, you tell me, did you have any time position of class monitor or house leader? Some position you had?
Sir, there are no monitors in our class in DPS school, and sir, I don't have possess any of the post of house captain.
Okay. Did you take part in school activity like cultural shows, sports and games?
Sir, basically I will tell you, sir, I have joined DPS from 7th class, sir. I'm very shy because I came from village, and I have seen the school, such a great big school, and there are many scholastic activities are going there. I'm always shy. I want to from inside that I should take part, but my shyness stops me from that. But the shyness is not completely with me. After 11th, I don't got chance. By the time I'm comfortable with the school, but after that, I got opportunities, but I have regret that I have not choose to join to do scholastic activities. I regret.
Well, how is your relationship with your class teacher plus other teachers?
So my relationship with my class teacher is really good. She's our physics teacher in 12th class, Sujata ma'am, and so my relationship are really good. And with other teachers in class 12th, they are good. But sir, in 11th, I'm weak. I will say I have worked hard, still I don't got good percentage. In 12th, I got good percentage. I'm started studying in 12th and not in 11th because I don't have a clear aim till 11th. So science become very difficult for me, and I don't like any of the teachers. That's the reality. But when I came in 12th, I found that every teacher is so nice and they are teaching so well, and I got to learn many things from them, and I really love my teachers and I miss them.
But still, in teacher community, in every school, there are some teachers who are very irresponsible, and some of the students don't like them.
Yes, sir.
Such teachers.
Yes, sir.
You can't say that 100% teachers are of the same behavior. They are very nice. Is there any teacher whom you don't like?
Sir, I will say that I don't like. I said in 11th class I don't like chemistry teacher, physics teacher. But in 12th they become my favorite. So after that, with end of my 12th class, I don't think so. There is no teacher in my school.
Was that due to subject or due to personality of the teacher?
No, I will not say the personality. In 11th, I feel that teacher have something weakness. But after coming in 12th, I have a weakness. I'm not focusing. I have a different attitude at that time when I'm sitting in class. Now I'm understanding everything to the same teacher.
So nice. Many times it happens.
Yes, sir.
That due to certain reason, a teacher has not come in the class. So either they manage the class, some other teacher comes, or a senior student comes and manages the class. It might have happened with you also. Sometimes teacher didn't come and the class went without any teacher.
Definitely.
ऐसा हुआ है ना आपके
Yes,
साथ?
sir. Substitutions are there.
Then generally what did you do that time? you gossiped with your friends, you did your homework, or you study physics or math, or you went out in library, or you went out in the field. Exactly and generally, what did you do?
Sir, it depends upon the which teacher's period is before that substitution period. We call substitution period if teacher is absent. So if physics period is there and ma'am always go with giving us homework or some question, or we might have a doubt. So if I have a doubt, we go to teacher if teacher is free, and if we are free, so we will talk.
No, teacher is not free.
If teacher is not free, so we talk, sir, in class most of the time, because I told you, sir, I have a group of 5 to 7 people who want to join National Defence Academy. So we talk about army, we talk about navy, we talk about stuff, daily stuff too. We joke also, we just have fun when teacher is not there. If we have a doubt, then we clear that with helping each other. So we help also.
So that is actually a type of study only.
Yes, sir.
Means when teacher didn't come, generally studied. कोई other
Yes, sir.
बातचीत नहीं किया?
So most of the time I just we are from science students, so we have that in mindset that we have to study all the time, and that's the situation in the whole school, that you have to study. You are a science student, so we focus. Every time we left with something, we have doubt from coaching, from school, wherever we have doubt. Most of the time we study, and no one is interested in talking. Till 10th we have notice student in science stream. We don't have that. We talk about normal stuff with our friends, but most of the time we study.
Generally, what is the subject you taught? जैसे gossip कर रहे
we are
you are not studying physics,
Yes, sir.
just normal topics, some other topics, enjoying with the friends.
Yes,
Then generally, what were the topics you gossiped?
So most of our class have two opinions, that one support the current BJP ideology, and one support the Congress ideology. And I think and third one who don't support the both of them. So we have debate on most of the time on them, because we have many anbhaks and so-called people in our class. So we just debate, have a kind of healthy debate in Hindi only.
Never talked about any teacher or any girls.
No, sir, that's something I have. I will say I'm not lying also. We don't do back pitching about any student or any about teacher. We don't. Many students do, but our group is not. We don't talk about teachers and bad about behind their back. And no good things also. We don't talk about teachers. We talk about ourselves.
Okay. So your favorite subject is
Chemistry.
chemistry.
Yes.
What is formula of sugar?
Sugar C6H12O6.
Right. How much marks you got in maths?
So 95.
95. It is excellent marks.
Yes, sir.
So from 40 to 140, how many times you write zeros?
So
From 40 to 140,
Sir,
you are
I will
writing
I will take
counting.
time. Yes, sir, I will take time.
40 and 140 included. How many times you write zeros?
10 times.
Just make me understand.
Uh, yes, sir. 10.
40,
Yes, sir.
50.
50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and in 100 we have 2 zeros, and then 110, 120, 130, 140.
तो इस तरह से तो 12 zeros.
Also,
12 zeros हो गए.
yes, sir. So sorry, sir. There are others also. I just done wrong. Nearly 30, sir. I'm not able to count because.
No, why not? You have counted 12 zeros.
Yes, sir.
And
There are more, so I just
100,
I have done a mistake.
101 to 109, there are 9 zeros. 9 times you write the
Yes.
zeros.
Yes, sir. I just.
So total you can simply visualize 21 zeros, no?
Okay, sir. So,
Okay, chalo, this is not a big thing, no, a very small thing. Acha, girlfriend, do you have?
no, sir. I don't have any.
Why don't you have girlfriends?
Sir, I never thought that I should make a girlfriend.
Why you never thought? See,
Sir, I have.
in your age, it is very natural that you get attracted towards a girl. For girls to be attracted towards the boys,
Yes, sir.
it is natural process.
Yes, sir.
After age of 14 years,
Yes, sir.
it is natural.
Sir,
So why you are thinking that I should not look at a girl?
no, I'm not thinking that I should not look at a girl. I have friends which are girls also, but I will say that I don't have committed to someone. I never felt the need to commit. I have friends. I talk with girls. Mostly I don't like that I should sit or I should not look at them. I look them, I talk to them. I have friends, but I never thought that I should commit with someone. So I never.
So, you want to join army,
Yes, sir.
and you want to become para commando. That too para yourself.
Yes, sir. Special.
So it's a great thing. Major general is a bigger or senior rank, or lieutenant general, which is the senior rank.
Major General is a junior rank than Lieutenant General.
Achha. What is equivalent to Major General in Air Force?
Sir, I don't know that.
My rank is Wing Commander in Air Force.
Yes, sir.
What is my equivalent rank in Navy?
Sir, I don't know that. Sorry.
Okay. Should know. Okay. Right. So, your favorite subject is chemistry.
Yes.
Physics, how much you got?
Sir, I got 95 in physics. That's the highest.
That all you got? Very
Yes,
good
sir.
marks.
So I will not say ki I don't subject which are not my favorite. I got less marks. I got less marks in English. In physics I got 95. In maths 95. Psychology my option I got 97. Chemistry I got 97. In English I got 79. So I like all those subjects, but chemistry is my favorite. That's
Okay. Define Newton's second law.
Newton's second law says that force is equal to mass into acceleration.
That is, output of definition.
Yes, sir.
Tell me exact definition.
Newton's second law says that the change of speed with respect to time and the product of change of speed with respect to time and mass is equal to the force.
Change of speed with respect to time. Change of velocity with respect to time.
Change of velocity, sorry.
Chalo, whatever you do. So, again tell me once again, why you want to join Indian Army?
Sir,
I want to know your complete answer. Okay, one party that you have seen the movie, and you were very much inspired. But while aiming for certain things, we calculate many things now.
Sir, after the movie, I just get the knowledge about army, the life they live. I'm from Rajasthan, sir. I will tell you that at BSF, they are army personals. They are doing their duty in 50-degree temperature. In winter, the temperature is 0 degree of same Jaisalmer. So the difference is 50 degree, which is very difficult body to adapt. That life is very difficult. They have to live a difficult life. So
You mean BSF is part of army?
no, it is centrally center force, but I'm saying that what an army man does in life. So like ITBP force at Siachen. So the life I have seen about army and the training of 90 days selection period and 2.5 years of training of a para commando. I'm very excited to do that thing in my life. And I always feel that I want to become a para commando. I don't know whether in future I will get a chance to do any mission or not, but I will try to become that. If any mission, then para commandos will be the first one to go on missions outside the country.
So other than your course books,
Yes.
do you like to read any other material?
Yes, sir.
That in a novel,
Yes, sir.
poetry?
Sir, I will say, sir, before 2 months only, I have developed a habit of reading books, novels, especially self-help books. So I'm reading, till now I have read 5 books. So I have read those books, and I read English newspapers, sir. And
Which English newspaper do you read?
Times of India, sir.
Times of India.
Yes.
Okay. What is its cost?
Sir,
What is its cost daily?
it's cost,
Cost
sir, 7 rupees. English newspaper.
at Jaipur you get for 7 rupees.
Yes.
Acha. How many supplements? On which days and what supplements it gives?
Which supplements, sir?
Supplement on different days it
Yes.
gives 2 pages extra by some name.
Yes, sir.
Some day Jaipur,
Yes, sir. Yes.
some day
On
entertainment.
Sunday, especially, it gives Rajasthan Times too. With
Okay.
Jaipur Times, sometimes it gives Jaipur Times, sometimes it gives Rajasthan Times extra.
Some other days it must be given by name, some other supplement.
It gives advertisement papers, but most of the time Jaipur Times and Rajasthan Times. So I'm reading from 2 months, so I know these 2 things.
So know your paper. Who is the chief editor of Times of India?
I don't know, sir.
Find out.
Yes, sir, I will find out.
Which company publishes this paper?
I don't know, sir. I don't have that. Sorry, sir. I don't.
Try to find out.
Yes.
It is written at the back side of paper
Yes.
in very small letters.
Yes.
Try to find out. Okay. So, which book you have read last?
So currently I'm reading a book, sir, Habit by Charles Duhigg, and British writer. So I'm reading that book. Before that, I have read Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty.
Okay,
Very
this
nice.
book, what you are reading now,
Yes, sir.
what is its theme?
Sir, habit, what we do, why we do, and how to change.
Yes, you have not finished yet.
No, sir, I'm between I have finished half of them.
In this lockdown,
Yes, sir.
the two serials came. They were repeated after a very long time, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yes, sir.
Have you watched them?
Yes, sir, I have watched Ramayana with my family, sir. Not Mahabharata, but I watched
Not Mahabharata. Do you like Ramayana
Yes.
story?
The story I like, and I like the old one that I watched with my family. I like that.
Acha. Which character do you like in Ramayana?
I like Ram, of course, he's the hero, and Lakshman too, because he never left his brother. So I like Lakshman.
Lakshman you like.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very nice. Okay. आजकल बहुत हो रहा है देश पे आंदोलन ये वो खेल कूद है ना What is going on around the country?
Sir, there is a protest against the new farm laws of central government. At a Tikri border near Rajasthan, too, many farmers from Rajasthan are doing the protest against the new farm laws. They don't want. And I think more than 70 farmers have died, so big casualty for country and big loss for country. And there are many. I think after Galwan clash, we have many. Our diplomatic relations are now not good with China. There are many talks are going. Still, there is a standoff on our borders. And India won Australia series in Australia tomorrow only. So yesterday, so they won the match. The Border Gavaskar Trophy they won.
Who are the man of the match?
Sir, I have not seen that because right now I'm here. So I watch the cricket news, but I didn't get the time to watch it. But I just
So
saw
tell
the
me,
score.
anytime you got involved in some quarrels or something, you have some tension.
Yes, sir.
With whom and for what?
Sir, I have tensions before. I will say that my mentor is Sandeep Maheshwari, sir. I watch his videos on YouTube. So in 11th, sir, I will say I am very depressed, very less motivated in that class, and that something very bad. I always start with bad thing. I never feel good on school, whether in coaching. So I just talk to my mom. She helped me a lot to get motivated. So I talk to her when I'm in problem. But after that, I got an ability to deal with tension in life. Sandeep Maheshwari, the ways he taught, so I love those ways and I just implement them.
Any quarrelsome situation?
Sir, I will say in 11th class, sir, in beginning of the test, the first UT one, I failed in 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and my optional psychology. And our coordinator told me that I have to change my subject from science to humanities, and I feel bad at that time. My self-respect just got attacked. I feel bad, but I think that is important, that her job. After that, I feel very depressed, and I took help from my mom. I really got depressed at that time.
Okay, what game do you play?
Sir, I play. Sir, it depends where I am. When I am in village, I play kabaddi with friends. The kabaddi is famous over there. When I am in city, I play cricket. In school, I played football till district level. So I play these 3 games.
You played up to district level?
Yes, sir, in football.
Cricket also you play?
Play with.
As bowler or as batsman or as all-rounder? What
Sir,
is
I'm
your role?
all-rounder.
All-round. Bowling भी करते हैं?
Yes, sir. Good, okay bowling. It's not much good, but okay, I'll try.
What may be the weight of a standard cricket ball?
Sir, I don't know the exact number, sir. I can't tell.
That's good.
I will.
Okay, kabaddi is your favorite at your village.
Yes, sir.
How many players are in one team?
So 7 players are playing and 5 players are in extra. The 12 players are in a whole team of kabaddi.
What is bonus point in kabaddi?
Sir, when you get bonus point when you touch that bonus line, the black line after the touch line, you touch by one, cross that line from one foot and the second foot should be in air, then you will get a bonus.
What is dimension of a kabaddi field?
The boys team, I will tell you, sir, 13 into 10 meter. 13 that's length and 10 meter is width.
Who is your village sarpanch?
Village Sarpanch is Mr. Ramu Bora, sir. He won recently in 2020 January.
Actually, some work in village is done under a government program.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana. Under Pradhan Mantri, after Narendra Modi took over as Mr. Narendra Modi took over as the Prime Minister, our village really got development. And I think I don't know, sir, you are familiar with or not that the maker of BJP, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, is from our village only. So we got lots of development at our railway station because of that. He's the BJP maker.
Well, what I'm telling, okay, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, whatever may be, but since long there is a program which is funded by central government. Money is dispersed to state, from states the money is dispersed to different pradhans and blocks and pradhans, and work like small approach road in villages,
Yes,
drainage system,
Yes, sir.
pond,
Yes, sir.
this type of things are done by village sarpanch.
Yes, sir.
What is name of that program?
Sir, the program. Sir, I don't know about that program especially, but in my village, sir, roads are made before this current sarpanch, before our old sarpanch is.
No, this program was started by UPA government
Okay, sir.
long back, and this government is
Gramin Vikas Yojana, sir.
no, that is another. That is called Manrega, Mahatma
Yes, sir.
Gandhi
Yes, sir.
National Rural Employment Guarantee Act.
Yes,
Right?
definitely.
Okay, so know about this.
Yes, sir.
And what is paid to a person? What is labor charge?
Yes, sir.
A person from that village is paid if he works. How much is paid in Rajasthan?
Sir, labor it depends upon woman and man. Woman is paid 400 and a man is paid 600.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure. I have talked some to Mazdoor at construction sites. So they are saying that now
Oh.
that's the current rate.
Okay, find out from net
Yes, sir.
how much a labor is paid in Manrega work in a village in Rajasthan. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you just find out. Okay, right. Okay, tell me this population of Rajasthan, how much it is?
Sir, under the latest survey of 2011, it is 7 crore, nearly 7 crore, and now it is changed, but there is no survey till now. It will be done in every 10 years. Now, so, sir, I think in 2021, the current.
What is population of Jaipur city?
Sir, it is nearly.
I want exact figure as per 2011 census.
Sir, I don't know about. Sorry, sir. I will get.
Okay, find out, available on net. Where is the orphanage in Jaipur?
Sir, there are many orphanages in Jaipur, sir. So I don't know which orphanage you are talking about.
Have you ever visited any orphanage or old age home at Jaipur?
No, sir, I have not visited there, but I have visited a street where the people lives there in very bad condition. And my brother, on his birthday, I'm not able to went with him. I'm sick on that day. That he planned to go there and just serve them with kambal because there it's too cold this time in winter. Every time in Jaipur.
What is population of your village?
So my village population is 3,000.
It is a big village.
Yes, sir. I will not say it is big village because in Rajasthan generally it is above 5,000 in many villages. It is, I think I will say, average village, average population village. Sir.
How many houses may be there in your village?
Sir, nearly 400 houses.
400 houses.
Yes,
So per house, how much it comes?
Yes, sir.
400 houses, 3,000 people.
Yes, sir.
So per house, how many units come?
I will divide, sir. I will take time. Divide.
Around 7?
Yes, sir. Nearly 7 people in each house.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let us come to your friend circle again.
Yes, sir.
Are these friends in school, hostel or outside?
Sir, I'm not in hostel. Sir, my friends are mostly not from school hostel. I don't have anyone in my class during 11th, 12th who is from school hostel. So I have all friends are coming outside of school. They are not living in hostel.
What's the difference between field marshal and general?
Sir, field marshal is the highest ceremonial rank, and general is, I think, one rank junior from field marshal in India.
So all generals are made field marshals.
No, sir. In our history, only two of them are made.
Who were those?
So, late Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa and late Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw.
Why were they given this rank?
I think I know about Sam Manekshaw because he have done wonderful in Bangladesh Liberation War, and I think for Mr. K.M. Cariappa, I think he is the first one, first general of Indian Army. He took after the Britishers. So I think.
Yes. Okay. Tomorrow is marriage anniversary of your parents. Organize a surprise anniversary party at your home.
Sir, we will organize a party definitely. It's a very good day for us. I will say, sir, I have to organize a tent. I have to call a guest list mainly from our village and the people, our family friends. So food will charge nearly under 10,000, and I think the whole tent, it will be a 15,000 party. The whole charge will be.
Then organize.
And I will, sir, book it.
A to Z, organize and tell me how you go about it.
Sir, first of all, I will book a tent house. It is in our village only. We mostly book whenever we have a function. Sir. We have a catering service which our family, because we have a temple in our home, so we do puja many times, so we call them. So I will call them again, and I will make the famous dal bati churma dish, which is very famous in our Rajasthan, sir. So I will order that. I will tell them to make that dish. I will book the cooks and the tent house, and I will call the guests. So then it will.
Oh, okay. Tell me whom we will call. Guest list में. Tell me some people.
First of all, our family, sir. My father have two brothers. One is not in the world. So I will call my family, the whole family, and the people who are living in our neighborhood. They are mostly our family, our neighbors also. And from Jaipur, sir, I will call my Pintu Masa and Bani Park. I have people in Bani Park as a town in Jaipur. So I will call people from them, and Kardani wale bhabhi sa. We say we are from Rajput family, so we will call them. I will call all these.
Let us come back to your school again.
Yes.
The teacher didn't come in the class.
Yes, sir.
You were gossiping.
Yes, sir.
You with your 4 more friends went into the veranda and you were talking. By the time, from behind the 6th friend comes
Yes, sir.
and slaps you on your back.
Yes.
What will you do?
Sir, you are saying if 6th friend will comes, then I will just I will do nothing, and it will be a funny thing if my friend is doing, because my friend, if they do these things, they can do. So they will slap. So I will just. It will be a fun for me, fun moment. I will pass it.
Have you ever been scolded by any teacher in your school?
Yes, sir. Many times.
For what?
Sir, in 11th class especially, I will say, I am scolded because I am bunking the class with my friends at that time. Because I don't feel good to sit in class. What can I do? I am bunking with my friend and I caught. Then I just got punished by the teacher.
Achha, bunking.
Yes.
So after bunking, what you were doing? Yes, coming to school and going out.
No, sir, we are in school. We can't go out of our school. There is a tight security. But I am not in class. The period is going and I am not in class.
So what were you doing?
My optional was psychology, and I am playing in physical education period with my friend. Then I went back to class. So ma'am caught me. Where are you? You are present today and still you are not in class. So she punished me. She called my parents, and then she told me class teacher and class teacher also. But in 11th class, sir. I don't have interest in psychology at that time, but I took as an optional. But after that, I don't know. I like it so much till 11. After in 12, like so much psychology.
Sometimes with classmates, थोड़ा छोटा मोटा झगड़ा वगड़ा हो जाता था sometimes.
Yes, sir. Till 10th, we are kids, so we do fights. Many fights happens. They will pass. There is no backlog of the fights.
फाइट वगैरह के बाद तो थोड़ा 10 दिन बात नहीं करते होगे फिर आप?
No, sir. It's not like that. Till 10th we had fight, and in 11, 12 I don't have fight with anyone. These 2 years I don't have fight.
Okay.
No, I don't found any reason to fight.
Okay, very nice. I'm very happy. We had very good discussion. Thank you very much.
Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams. Recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.